A major power struggle is unfolding between Bangladesh and Adani Power, an energy giant tied to Indian billionaire Gautam Adani. It's a deal worth billions. But now, accusations of broken promises and potential corruption could bring it all crashing down. So what is the struggle about? Back in 2017, Adani Power signed a landmark deal to supply electricity to Bangladesh from its coal-fired Godda plant in India. The arrangement was supposed to be a win-win for both the parties. But now Dhaka says Adani Power breached the agreement by withholding tax benefits, leaving millions on the table. Dhaka claims that Adani Power failed to inform them about tax exemptions related to the Godda plant. The benefits, which the Indian government granted, were supposed to be passed on to Bangladesh, but they weren't according to reports. Dhaka says had they received the tax benefits, they could have saved up to $30 million, which is no small sum for a country struggling with energy costs. Now, what's more troubling for Bangladesh is that the deal was made quickly without a competitive bidding process. This is unusual as most energy deals in the region go through open tenders to ensure the best price. In the light of this, Yunus's government scrapped a controversial law that allowed former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to sign energy deals without competitive bids in November. And now the new government is investigating the deals signed with Adani Power. The pricing of electricity from the Godda plant is also a major issue for Dhaka. But here is where it gets tricky. Bangladesh owes hundreds of millions to the energy company, and the two sides can't agree on the bill's size. The Adani Power claims Bangladesh owes around $900 million. But Dhaka says it's closer to $650 million. The dollar shortage in the South Asian country isn't helping the case. In its highest payment this year, Bangladesh paid around $97 million to Adani in October. Yet, the company still slashed the power supply to Bangladesh by about 50% in the same month. The move has angered the Bangladesh government, which is seeking a renegotiation of the deal. According to the contract, any disputes are supposed to be settled through arbitration in Singapore. But Bangladesh is pushing for a full investigation, hoping to use the US bribery charges against Adani as leverage. Adani Power claims they have followed all contractual obligations and deny any wrongdoing in Bangladesh. They have also called the US bribery allegations against their executives baseless. But for Bangladesh, the question remains, was this deal fair from the start? Now the country's next steps depend on what the courts decide. Bureau Report, India Today Global.